Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jano TV. Question number 1. What part of your body helps you see? Answer: eyes. Question number 2. What do we call the part of the body that you see to hear sounds? Answer: ears. Question number 3. What is the name of the body part that helps you to smell things? Answer: nose. Question number 4. Which body part do you use to taste food? Answer: tongue. Question number 5. What is the name of the strong muscle in your chest that helps you breathe? Answer: diaphragm. Question number 6. What is the name of the body part where food goes after you eat it and before it gets digested? Answer: stomach. Question number 7. What do we call the bones in your body that protect your brain? Answer: skull. Question number 8. Which body part helps you to walk and run? Answer: legs. Question number 9. What is the name of the part of your body that helps you to bend your arm and hold things? Answer: elbow. Question number 10. What is the name of the body part that pumps blood through your body? Answer: heart. Question number 11. What part of your body do you use to hold and grab things? Answer: hands. Question number 12. What do we call the part of your body that helps you move your head up and down? Answer: neck. Question number 13. What is the name of the tube that carries air to your lungs? Answer: trachea or windpipe. Question number 14. What part of your body do you use to chew your food? Answer: teeth. Question number 15. What part of your body helps you to keep your balance when you stand or walk? Answer: ears, specifically the inner ear, which helps with balance. Question number 16. What is the name of the area on the front of your body where your ribs meet? Answer: chest. Question number 17. What do you call the body part that moves when you smell or frown? Answer: mouth. Question number 18. What part of your body is used to protect your hands and fingers from getting hurt? Answer: nails. Question number 19. What is the name of the soft part of your body that helps you to speak? Answer: tongue. Question number 20. What part of your body helps you to breathe in and out? Answer: lungs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like, share to our channel.